Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone sound and vibration setting, and today friends I will show you how to use other sound and vibration setting. Friends, you want to use your other sound and vibration setting means guys your phone haptic sound setting. So how to use it on Oppo phone guys, one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. Friends, click on Oppo phone sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration, friends, you can use your vibrate setting. Phone vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent, silent mode. Friends, you want to on do not disturb, you can on do not disturb from here. Ringtone friends, you can set from here guys. Which ringtone do you like I select, ringtone will set. Friends, click on more sound and haptic. Friends, one by one we will talk about guys more sound means other sound and vibration setting. First guys we will on dial pad tone. After on dial pad tone guys how to use it. First click on phone dial setting. So guys how to use dial pad tone. So guys if you enter any number on your dial pad, so friends you can use the dial pad tone sound on your Oppo phone. And friends already you have this sound, so guys you can off from here. After off friends you can see this tone will not work on our device. Friends we can enter number without any sound. So first you can use dial pad tone. Then second we will talk about lock screen sound. So first of all enable your lock screen sound. So guys when you will lock friends your Oppo phone screen, and guys when you will unlock your Oppo phone screen, you can use friends your screen lock and your screen unlock sound. Friends again click on phone setting, sound vibration setting, haptic sound setting. Friends you don't want to use a lock screen sound, you can off. After off friends you can lock your screen, you can on your screen without any sound. Screenshot sound. So friends you want to on your screenshot sound, so when you will take your screenshot on your device, you can use friends your screenshot sound. And friends you want to take a screenshot without any sound, so you can off your screenshot sound, and friends you can take a screenshot without any sound on your Oppo phone device. Friends you can see the delete sound settings. So guys when you will on your delete sound, so how to use it. So guys we will on the phone photos. Friends when you will delete any photos, any video on your device, you can use friends your delete sound setting. So guys we call it delete sound. So guys when you will delete guys your photos from your gallery, so you can use the delete sound. And guys when you will off, so guys you can delete photos without any sound. And the last is touch sound. So guys we will only touch sound. After get touch sound guys when you will click your phone button, and guys when we will click phone guys any icon guys when you will click, you can use it touch sound. And guys when you will click on any phone setting, so guys we can use touch sound. Friends you don't want your touch sound, so friends click on sound vibration setting, and friends click on more sound and haptic, and you can off touch sound. After friends you can use your phone without any tap and touch sound. So like that friends we can use other sound and vibration setting on Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.